Welcome to the Prompt Lab, your ultimate guide to mastering the art of AI prompts. Whether you're a business professional, a marketer, or just curious about AI, our playlist offers step by step tutorials on using ChatGPT prompts to unlock creativity and efficiency, from finding your target customers to crafting compelling marketing strategies. Our videos demonstrate real life applications, tips, and tricks to get the best out of AI. Dive into our carefully curated content and transform how you approach tasks with the power of prompt engineering. Subscribe and embark on a journey to become an AI prompt wizard. Welcome to a pivotal tool in your business intelligence arsenal. Today we're exploring the Find Target Customers prompt, a dynamic query designed to peel back the layers of your market and reveal the core demographic interested in your niche. This prompt isn't just about identifying who your customers are, it's about understanding their behaviors, preferences, and demographics. Whether you're crafting a new product, tailoring a marketing campaign, or looking to break into a new market, this prompt acts as your guide through the complex landscape of consumer analysis. By leveraging AI's analytical power, we unlock actionable insights that are tailored to bolster your business strategy. This tool is a game changer for a wide array of professionals. Marketers can dive deep into the psyche of their target audience, crafting campaigns that resonate on a personal level. Entrepreneurs and startup founders will find it invaluable for validating their business ideas and tailoring products to meet the exact needs of their desired customer base. Product managers can leverage these insights to design features that truly matter to their users. In essence, anyone involved in making strategic decisions about a product or service stands to gain from understanding their audience with unparalleled precision. Timing is everything, and knowing when to deploy this prompt can set you on a path to success. Before launching a new product, use it to ensure you're hitting the mark with your target demographic. When considering an expansion into new markets, this prompt can illuminate the landscape, showing you where opportunities lie. It's also crucial when you're refining your marketing strategies, allowing you to tailor your messaging and channels to the preferences of your audience. Essentially, anytime you need a deep dive into customer demographics and behaviors, this prompt is your go to tool for strategic insights. In this segment, we'll walk through how to customize the Find Target Customers prompt to suit various business needs. Customization is the key to obtaining relevant and actionable insights. Let's dive in. First, identify your niche or the market sector you're focusing on. This could be anything from organic skincare to sustainable fashion or tech gadgets for remote work. The more specific you are, the better the insights you'll receive. Next, adapt the prompt to reflect your specific interests. The basic structure of the prompt is identify the primary customers in the insert target niche, market, and their demographics. Replace your target niche with your actual niche. For instance, identify the primary customers in the sustainable fashion market and their demographics. But let's not stop there. You can further tailor this prompt to narrow down your search or answer specific questions. For example, to focus on online buying habits, you might ask, what are the online buying habits of primary customers in the sustainable fashion market? If you're interested in geographic locations, try identify the primary geographic locations of customers in the tech gadget for remote work market. Remember, the goal is to tweak the prompt to match the precise insights you're looking for. Now let's see this in action. Let's put our prompt into practice. Today we'll use identify the primary customers in the organic skincare market and their demographics. I've entered this prompt into ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated a detailed breakdown. It mentions that the primary customers in the organic skincare market are predominantly women, particularly millennials and Generation Z, who are interested in health and wellness, environmental sustainability, and ethical considerations, such as animal welfare and fair trade, and tend to be in the middle to high income bracket. and are willing and able to pay extra for products that align with these values regarding health, sustainability, and ethical production. It also highlights that demand is particularly strong in urban areas and in regions where there is higher awareness of environmental issues and access to organic products. This output gives us clear customer profile, which is invaluable for targeting marketing efforts and product development. For instance, knowing the age range and interest helps in choosing the right marketing channels and crafting messages that resonate. But what if we want to dig deeper into online buying habits? Let's modify our prompt. What are the online buying habits of primary customers in the organic skincare market? The output suggests the online buying habits of organic skincare consumers are characterized by a thorough research process, a preference for direct and meaningful engagements with brands, and strong emphasis on sustainability and ethical practices throughout the purchasing journey. These habits are shaped by the availability of information online, the influence of social media, and the growing importance of values based purchasing decisions. This level of detail helps us not just understand who our customers are, but also where to reach them and what factors influence their purchasing decisions. Remember, every time you use the prompt, tailor it to reflect the specifics of your inquiry. Experiment with different aspects of your target market to uncover a wealth of insights on customer behaviors, preferences, and more. In our live demonstration, ChatGPT provided us with a comprehensive breakdown of the primary customers in our specified market, including age groups, interests, geographic locations, and purchasing behaviors. Let's dive deeper into these results and understand their implications. Firstly, the age group data indicates our primary customers fall into the 18 to 45 age range, which suggests our marketing efforts should leverage platforms and media popular among millennials and Generation Z. However, it's important to note the absence of detailed psychographic information, which limits our understanding of customer motivation and values. The geographic and purchasing behavior insights are invaluable, showing a concentration in urban areas and a preference for online shopping. This could inform our distribution and advertising strategies, emphasizing online sales channels and urban centric messaging. However, while the output provides a solid foundation, it lacks specifics on customer challenges or how product uniquely addresses these. Such insights are crucial for creating compelling value propositions and messaging. Now let's consider the limitations. The data is generic based on available information and might not capture the nuances of your specific niche or the latest market trends. It's a starting point, but relying solely on this output without further market research could lead to oversimplified strategies. To enhance the usefulness of the Find Target Customers prompt and overcome its limitations, consider these tips and advanced techniques. 1. Segmentation. Beyond demographics, try to uncover psychographics by modifying the prompt to include requests for information on customer beliefs, values, and pain points. For example, identify the values and challenges of primary customers in your niche market. 2. Trend analysis. Integrate trends into your query to get insights into how customer preferences might be evolving. Use prompts like, what are the emerging trends among your niche customers? 3. Competitive landscape. Understanding your competition can provide context to the customer data. Instead of prompts that explore who else is catering to your target customers and how, such as identify key competitors in your niche market and their unique selling propositions. 4. Feedback loop. Use real world feedback from your customers to refine your understanding continually. Incorporate customer survey results, reviews, and feedback into your analysis to keep your customer profiles up to date. And 5. Customization for AI. Remember, the more specific your prompt, the more tailored and useful the response will be. Don't hesitate to experiment with different variations of prompts to compare results and deepen your insights. We've journeyed through the capabilities and applications of the Find Target Customers prompt, from setting it up to witnessing it in action. This tool is more than just an AI function. It's a bridge to deeper understanding of your market and a beacon guiding your business strategies. Remember, the key to unleashing its full potential lies in customization and experimentation. Tailor your prompts, interpret the results, and don't shy away from exploring various angles to gain comprehensive insights. If this exploration has sparked your interest, or if you've gained new insights, please share your support by liking and subscribing. Your engagement fuels our passion for sharing knowledge and innovation. Have you tried using the prompt in your projects? What discoveries have you made? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. We're here to learn from each other and navigate the exciting possibilities of AI together.